So what's up guys? So in today's video I'll be showing you guys the trade I'll be taking on US30, and so we have seen that US30 has been bullish for a very long time, and this is basically the daily time frame. We saw US30 has been bullish, and so now US30 has taken on this all-time high right here, and what we'll be expecting is a pullback. Price is going to give us a pullback down to somewhere like right here, because right here I'm seeing a market shift. I'm also seeing an inducement in the point of trade Jesus breaker, but let us focus on what we have right here. So right here we saw that BTC has taken out US30 has taken out the all-time high from the daily time frame, and price also, as you can see here, this pullback is also a form of a market shift right here, and also price is giving pull it back to this upside to mitigate the point of trade and then begin to trade to the downside. So this is what we are expecting price to do, mitigate this point of trading, trade to the downside. So but before that, let me explain down why I am currently counting on this say point of interest right here. So basically I saw that an impulse move had just happened on the market. So with an impulse move there will be a correction move. So price has given us an impulse move to the upside, which is this move to the upside. Then all we are waiting for is a correction move, then an impulse move again, then the correction move, an impulse move. So what do we have to do? All we have to do is to count on this correction move that will happen before we start looking for the focusing on the impulse move. So now basically this is the two zones I'm focusing on. I'm focusing on this high and this low right here. So let's go down to the forward time frame so that I can show you guys my true purpose of entering for this trade. So basically we saw what price was doing. It is more clear on the towards time frame. So let's go to the toward time frame. So I saw that price has been bullish, giving us higher highs, then a higher lows, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, and a higher low. So let me mark that for you guys. So in USDT, I saw price giving us a little uptrend from this side, giving us a further higher high, then a higher low. Sorry, a higher high, a higher low, and a higher high, then a higher low. I'm coming. A higher low right here, then a higher high, then a higher low, then a higher high, then a higher low. Price giving us a higher high and a higher low. So we saw the price was breaking up past this higher time frame trend direction, which is has keep breaking past the daily time frame zone, which means this impulse move to the upside has been completed. So the sellers are stepping into the market to look for a way to short the market. So what do we have to do? All we have to do is to capitalize on this sale that will happen here. So this is where the rule of picking the point of interest comes in. Without the rule, we have no point of interest. So let's bring out our rule and let's pick our point of interest with the rule we have laid down. So rule number one came. This is where rule number one comes in. Rule number one right here says, okay, I'm coming. Let me bring out my rules. It said there must be an MSS. Look at it here. It said there must be an MSS or a multiple break-off structure. So what do we see right here? When USDT has taken out all-time high, what happened? It gave us a market structure shift. So what was a market structure shift? Which is this low right here being taken out with this candlestick. A market structure shift is an indication that the current trade is ending and a new one is about to begin in the opposite direction. That is the meaning of a market structure. A current trend is ending and a new trend is about to begin in the opposite direction. So rule PI to say there must be an inducement or liquidity protecting it. Said there must be an inducement or liquidity protecting it. Which one is an inducement? Our inducement is the first valid pullback that happened after a market structure shift or a multiple break-off structure. Our inducement is the first valid pullback that happens after a market structure shift or a multiple break-off structure. So right here we have gotten our market shift and we are getting our inducement. So the rule 3 says your point of interest should be unmitigated. Your POI that you are picking your entry from should be unmitigated. Which one is my POI right here? My POI is this breaker block that is closer to my inducement. this my P high is this odd breaker block that is closer to this inducement. So the rule 4 says pick the point of interest closer to your inducement. Right here, which point of interest is closer to my inducement is this breaker block right here. There must be a market structure shift. So I'll go to our market shift, then we'll go to our inducement, then our PI is mitigated, then the point of interest closer to our inducement, which is this breaker block right here. So this is the set point of interest that I'm expecting on US30 to give us, and I will be basically entering the trade, and I will be taking my profit in this zone that market created while pulling back to this to take out this inducement. So this is the zone I'll be taking my profit. So what I'm expecting is price will continue this up move up to this zone, then give me further pullback, then go to the upside, take out this inducement and mitigate my zone. It might even come deep into my period, but I know I'm picking the right point of interest, and I also followed my plan and to mitigate my zone like this, and then thing before. So this is everything I'm waiting for on US30. And if you guys are convinced on this trade idea, you guys can also take the trade and also make money part of it. So I just wanted to drop a little chart breakdown and I explain to you guys what the market will be doing, we will be expecting from the market on US30 this week. So and I will be posting a video. I'm posting video consistently on YouTube this week, and I'll make sure I teach you guys as possible as I can, and you guys should do well to put in the work and study from the chart so you can have a knowledge of your own. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys learned something from this video. And I forgot to say it before you see I trade this this reversal move. You see that higher time frame zone from the daily time frame has already been taken out. So that is to say I'm not trading inside a trade line liquidity. I'm trading in a free zone right here, which means this my P1 right here is safe for me to take a sell from. You get? So I hope you guys understand, and I hope you guys will learn something from it. And please do well to subscribe. If this is your first time seeing my video, do well to subscribe and comment down below what you learned and what you want to see me post again in my next video, and I will do just that. Peace.